In the Roman world, there's nothing distinctive about the idea that a mortal might be a god. But what is utterly bizarre, and more than bizarre, grotesque, hideous, mad, is the idea that someone who had suffered death on a cross could become a god.
When I teach my undergraduates, a lot of them have no idea about why it is that Christianity became the religion of the Western world. And many of them think it is just sort of a matter of course, that, naturally that would happen.
Die korinthische Anlage ist insofern besonders.
Ich möchte euch eine Kammer zeigen, die meiner Meinung nach eigentlich die schönste und spannendste in der ganzen Katakombe ist.
Wenn hier oben die Männer baden, traf sich hier ein Stock tiefer eine Kultgemeinschaft.
The fundamental thing about being a Christian is that you give up worshipping the gods.